I'm always on it, and if I'm not, then I'm locked in the studio just trying to be honest. On a roll, how could I be so cold? Why you do this to me? Offshore bank accounts, did it all on my own, and I'll do it again. As long as it feeds me, got a bunch of bays that rely on me and need me. They love me. Out in Paris and we peeking. $1 million booty and she popping like a freak dong.